Hey YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. I've been doing videos for a little over 10 years now. In that case, a lot of my first videos that still, I think, have pretty good information in them are not being watched at all because YouTube, they're just too old for YouTube to want to use them, I guess, or put them up on their lists. Also, YouTube is not paying all that well, so hit that thumbs up and subscribe and all those good things. I appreciate it very much. Also, since I've changed the name on my channel, some of those older ones have my old channel name, things like that on, so I'm just going to kind of cut some of that stuff out, cut some of the talking out, and try and make them a little bit better as far as the editing is concerned. Without further ado, I hope you enjoy my older video here. And first of all, down here, you don't need to do any of that. All you need is a little tiny screwdriver. And down here, we're gonna pop our screwdriver in. And actually, you probably don't even need that so much. It just makes life easier to get a hold of it. And this little piece, now you gotta be careful. There's wires behind here for your airbag stuff, which, yet again, I've actually undid the negative cable on my battery, so I would probably suggest doing that since there is some electrical going through here. But anyway, then we pull that up, and I actually ended up bringing this around. I've actually done this once before I finally figured it out and thought I should do a video on it. So I got that like that, and it kind of gets stuck on there, and if you just kind of pull up and go forward, it pops off of there. And then we can leave that hanging for now. Then the next thing we got is this T30 Torx 30 here, and we're going to pull this off of here. Alright, as you can see, it's a long one. Set that aside, don't lose it. I got bored. So that will bring off all this. Now watch out for your lines here. And I am going to actually unclip this from the back here. There's just a little, like your normal things here. Parts that you push on and parts that you don't. And then it breaks. There. I'm going to set that down to the side. Whoa. I'm going to remove that. Alright. So then this comes out. Don't forget how this has to go through the hole here. And I see there are screws here. But that's how you pull one of these off. If you want to see what I'm about to do to hook this phone mount up, come back and look for that video. But right now, this is how you'd get one of these out if for some reason you really scared somebody and they broke it, or maybe you want to customize or take apart your dash to this point. There you go. Now you know. Well, hopefully you enjoyed that and got something out of it. Now get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.